Hello and welcome again to another auction for the NEC Versa S950 motherboard. As you can see, the motherboard is still in the actual laptop, so once we finish this video we will be actually removing the motherboard and it will be on eBay for auction. So without any further ado, we'll switch her on and we will verify actually that this system does actually work. Just waiting for the Windows desktop to appear. This is one of our test Windows operating systems. It's XP Professional Service Pack 3. So we'll just take you around the system configuration, show you how it's been set up and verify that everything is working as it should. Okay. So, as I explained before, this is a test Windows XP Professional Service Pack 3 installation, and this computer is running in an Intel Centrino 1.73 GHz processor with a gig of test RAM, which is ample for what we want to use. So if we take them on to the hardware devices, and as you can see, there's no issues there. All the drivers have been correctly installed on the motherboard. Just take a look at the display. This is an Intel 915GM integrated graphics controller, which is part of the core chipset. We have a DVD-R-W, that's an IDE CD device. It's showing an IDE drive, probably a 50 gig by the looks of that. Go down to the modems. And somehow I don't think you're going to be using that these days, but it's there. And we'll move on to the network controllers. And we've got a FireWire port there. We've also got the 10100 10000 Ethernet controller, and we have a 54G wireless card in there. Just go back to the processor. That's a single core Centrino 1.73. Obviously the sound is there, and the PCI bridge, which is an ICH4 series bridge controller from Intel. So that takes you through the hardware setup, and that seems to be operating correctly. Okay, we'll take you to the discs now, and as you can see, we've got two devices there. One's the hard drive, that's an IDE drive, and then you have a DVD-R, which has picked that up quite nicely. So we'll just test the USB ports, make sure they're all functional. On this machine there are two USB ports, And that seems to be working correctly. We'll just open up that. That's the flash drive that we're using. Plug it into the socket there. And again, that seems to be working correctly. And you can just see the device there on the right hand side that's appeared. Okay, we'll now test the machine to verify that the CD drive is working correctly with a DVD movie. So that seems to be operational. We'll just load the player. And it gives us an opportunity to also test the sound as well while we're doing this. And that seems to be playing the DVD correctly, so that verifies that that side of things works. So we'll take you to the video configuration to see how the video is being configured. And the display is configured for a 1280 by 768 at 32 million colours, and I suspect that the video card will be using some of the system memory. So let's verify that. Yes, that's correct. So we've got 64 meg from the system memory there that's being used. So it looks like it's been correctly configured. We'll go to the mouse setup now, because we're using the touchpad on the palm rest. And that just speeds up the mouse, so you can see that working properly. And the double click speed there, so you can see that. That's correct. So thank you for watching this video of the NEC Versa S950 motherboard. As I reiterated earlier, the motherboard will be removed from this system and placed on eBay for auction. The motherboard will be sold as is, without a CPU, memory, the wireless card and any other cables and accessories. Just the motherboard will be for sale. So thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you again with another video.